Yes, good morning, everyone. Myself, this is Chandra from RTL Online Trainings and Placements. So, welcome for our demos on Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM, Human Capital Management. So, we are going to have 3 demo sessions today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. We are going to have 3 demo sessions over here. And after that, we will have the regular sessions from Thursday. From Thursday, we are going to have a regular session. Okay. So we'll be discussing right from the basics. What is Oracle? What is cloud? This is all we are going to talk today in these 3 demo sessions. So RTL is established in 2009. It's more than 15 years in Oracle ERP Technologies. We are based out in Hyderabad. Corporate office in High-Tech City, Hyderabad, near Raidurg metro station. And we have a branch office in Hyderabad, Aditya, Enclave, Ameerpet metro station, very near to the metro stations. Exclusively deal with Oracle Cloud, Oracle Cloud Technologies. We exclusively deal both functional and technical, both functional and technical. So this particular course is purely on functional, what we are going to discuss. So we'll come to know what is functional, what is technical today, what are different types of jobs we have, what are the prerequisites for this. That's what we are going to discuss now here. Okay. So during our demonstration, if you have any doubts, you can just unmute yourself and ask for the doubts. Okay. So let me start here. So I go right from the basics, from the cloud point of view, as well as ERP application point of view. So first we'll discuss what is cloud. What is meant by cloud? Can anyone tell what is cloud? What is meant by cloud? Yes.
It is
Cloud.
nothing but network servers.
Sorry, which servers?
Network of servers.
Network of servers. Okay. Yeah. So cloud is nothing but network of servers, or we also call it as a virtual server. Virtual servers. For example, I'm using right now YouTube here. I'm able to access this content. I'm able to access this entire content. I'm able to perform all these actions. Is this information is stored in my system? In my laptop? No. Is this information stored in my office server? No. It is stored in YouTube servers. Where these YouTube servers are located, I don't know. Whether it is in India or US, if it is UK, exactly which city and which data center, we don't know, right? So that's what we can call it as a cloud. So cloud is nothing but a virtual server where the information will be stored and we are accessing through internet. We are accessing through internet. Okay. So if there is any client who is doing some business, okay, if there is any client, let's say we'll take up retail industry, retail foods. Private Limited. Heritage Foods Private Limited. They are into retail industry, both groceries, vegetables. They have 400 outlets. Indirectly, we can call it as branches. In every branch, let's say there are 20 employees are working. 20 employees, around 8,000 employees. Around 8,000 employees are working. All this, every 8,000 employees, every day they come to office and they do their jobs, their roles and responsibilities, whatever the work they do. Right. So here now, all these 8,000 employees, they come to office. Out of 20,000, let's say there are 4 employees who use the computers. Remaining all are non-IT, for example. 4 employees are using the computers. So 400 branches. In every branch, 4 employees are using computers. They'll be tracking all these day-to-day business transactions. So how many employees will come here who will use this software? 1,600 employees. 1,600 employees are using every day. Even if they enter one transaction, let's say today one new customer came to the store or he purchased some items. Existing customers, let's say they have total 70,000 customers. They have regular customers and 20,000 suppliers they have. Okay. So around 5,000 different items they'll be purchasing. All this data maintenance, they will be using some software. They will be using some softwares. Either one software or multiple softwares they will be using to maintain all this business data. Because 1,600 employees are using computers. Day to day, what items they are purchasing, what items they are selling, their accounts, their employee leaves, employee salaries, employee talent, employee performance, this is all they are going to maintain. Right? So all this data, day to day, some thousands of transactions every day, they are entering into the software applications. The client might be using one application or multiple applications to maintain the data. To maintain the business data, they will be using either one or multiple applications. Okay, they'll be using either one or multiple applications. In that scenario, they will be maintaining, excuse me, their own servers. We call it as on-premise. They'll be using their own servers. We call it as on-premise application. If clients are maintaining their own servers, we'll call it as on-premise implementation or on-premise servers. So the client will have one headquarters, either in Hyderabad or Bangalore, Chennai, somewhere. They will have their server room over there. So every day employees comes to the offices, they'll be connecting to the servers through IP address or through any web application, whatever it is. Right. That is what actually happening. That is what actually happening last 20-25 years. Any client, they'll maintain their own servers and their employees every day they come to offices wherever they have branches and they are using softwares and enter day-to-day business transactions into the applications. That's what they are doing here. Okay. So here in 2015, cloud concept came into the picture. It's very difficult for the client to maintain these applications. Because if they buy the product, any software product today, after 1 year, it's getting upgraded. Upgraded means latest version. Again, client should upgrade to the latest version. And it's very difficult to manage all these applications in a single server when it is digitalized nowadays. Earlier, it was very minimal for the computer just to maintain our accounts and as well as the sales and procurement. But now almost every data, employees exit and entry, employees leaves, employee performance, transactions, financial, supply chain, costing, and public relations. Everything they wanted to maintain. It's difficult to maintain the servers. Then the cloud concept came into the picture. Some cloud companies came into the market saying that why you take the risk managing your servers? We have established the data centers. In those data centers, we have the supercomputers with the high-end configuration. Instead of using your servers, why don't you use our servers? In our server, simple. Earlier, you maintained your own server room. You have established your servers. You are maintaining DBA team. You are maintaining administration team, network team, cyber security team. But all this not required. We maintain the servers. We maintain the servers. So you can directly come to our server and install your softwares and start using your applications. Means your employees can start using our applications here. Like that, cloud companies came into the market in 2012 or 11 sometime. So who are that? Who are the cloud companies we have? Okay. So the cloud companies we got first, it was AWS, Amazon Web Services, AWS. Then we got Microsoft, Azure. Then we got GCP, Google Cloud Provider, directly Google Cloud Company. Then we got Oracle. That's what we can say top 4 companies who are there in the market in the world. Okay. AWS came into the picture in 2005. In fact, Azure also, Google also. Oracle came very late, 2014. Oracle came into the cloud environment on 2014 and 15. You can say 15 years delay. Here. Now today, Oracle is competing with remaining almost top. They are planning to cross this AWS because of AI features, because of artificial intelligence features. Oracle is planning to stay at the first place now. So even Oracle entered late, but they are competing remaining key competitors, whoever is there in the market. So what cloud companies are telling to the customers is, you are maintaining your server, it is expensive and time taking, and you should have your own team and take the risk. And when a new application comes into the market, again you have to upgrade yourself. Okay. So instead of taking all this, why don't you outsource, or why don't you use our servers? We have established the data centers across the world. Almost every company, this company established in 47 countries. This company established in 45. Google, I think 49. Oracle 41, maybe more today. Okay. So in every country, Oracle or any other cloud company is established. For example, if we talk about Oracle in India, Oracle established 2 data centers in India. One is in Mumbai, another one is in Hyderabad. In Mumbai, I think in 2020, Hyderabad in 2022, they have established the data centers. What they are offering to Indian customers, is, we have a data center. Why you use your server room? You can shut down that, and you can come to our cloud environment. You can come to our cloud environment. Means indirectly you can use our servers on rental basis. For example, you want to buy a server top end, maybe it takes around 2 crores. Then you can just pay 1 lakh per month or 5 lakhs per year rent, and you can start using. Instead of investing 2 crores on the server, you can just take it for rental and start using. Same configuration. Even if you maintain your server room in Mumbai, your 1600 employees should connect to your server room, right? To IP address or to URL, whatever. Even if you maintain your server also, they should connect through internet only. Okay. Same thing we are also doing. We established. Okay. But what is advantage if you start using our servers is the first one is expensive if you are maintaining your own server. But if you are using our cloud, they call it as a cloud indirectly. Okay. If you start using our servers, then it is very less expensive. We take care of 24 by 7 security. You don't need to worry about the applications. If you have your software engineers, okay. 24 by 7 will take care, server is up. 24 by 7, we take care of administration, networking, as well as the cyber security. No question of hacking. Those and all will take care. You don't need to worry about it. Then 50% of your burden is gone. And also it's very less amount. Whenever you need, you can increase your configuration high. When you say there will be a more traffic on top of your application, you can increase. For example, festivals are there. When festivals are there, you will get more business. So 1600 employees daily, if even one employee is entering 100 entries, 100 customers one employee is getting every day, 16,000 or 1,60,000 entries. Maybe in festival mode, they may get 1,000 transactions. That time, 16 millions of data in a single day. That time you have to improve the server performance. Otherwise, it will be slow. It will get crash. You might have seen there will be a queue line when there is an festivals or holidays. That time, definitely they have to increase server capacity. Those and all, it's a risky process because we are maintaining cloud, we are maintaining data centers across the world, and we have the best technology and best engineers who will provide the best service to you. That's what the cloud companies are offering to the customers. They are offering to customers. So obviously the customers will be interested. That's what is happening last 10 years. Last 10 years, many people has migrated from their servers into the cloud. Servers into cloud because when you are maintaining server, everything you are responsible. Your DBA team, your admin and network team, your cyber security team should take care of everything. Now, this company employees will take care of your server. Only thing what you can do, for example, you are using Salesforce software, then you can have Salesforce engineers that they'll take care of the application. You don't need to worry about the DBS. You don't need to worry about administrators, networks, as well as the cyber security point of view because those companies will take care of everything. And also less expensive. Okay. It will have less cost. It's not only the server rental process here. It's not only just take the server on rental basis and use their servers, install our softwares in their servers and start using. These companies are offering best tools and products in that cloud servers. Okay, so what these cloud companies are telling to the customers is we developed some of the best tools, some of the best products, applications, software applications, but we don't give those applications and tools outside. I can't give you. Earlier, it was not like that. All these top companies, top software product based companies, they used to develop tools and products and give it to the customer. Customer used to buy the licensed software, install in their server, and they used to start using it. But now, what these companies are telling, no, whatever the tools are developed or software applications we have developed, we don't give it outside. If you say I will buy your software and install in my server, no, I don't give it. You should become customer to my cloud first, and in my cloud there are tools and products, then start using. No question of installing in your servers. That's the reason going forward, any customer, if they want to use the best tools and products in the market, they must come to the cloud. That's why everybody will be on the cloud going forward. That is advantage for the customer because the price as well as it will be easy work for this company. Otherwise, what happened? Let's say Heritage company has purchased one database. They purchased one database in 2000, database 80. Then they have purchased in 2018. Still they are using same software. Another customer purchased database 9i in 2019. Another customer has purchased database 10i in 2020. Now, this database is given by Oracle. One customer is using old version, another customer is using mid version, another customer is using latest version. If there is any problem in the old version, he will raise a ticket, support ticket. What your company has to do, whoever has sold the product to the customers, they must provide the support for them, right? So this company should maintain the software engineers who will resolve the tickets in old versions, the mid versions, as well as the latest versions. So they are getting it's very risky. Earlier, no option. That's why, because earlier, why no option? There was not much internet bandwidth earlier. If I talk about in 2015, do we have this much of bandwidth internet? No. Last 6 years, we got a vast bandwidth, very cheap price. We got internet. Because of that cheap price internet only, this cloud concept came into the market. Otherwise, it's not possible. Without internet, how these customers will connect to the servers, right? They used to maintain their own servers within the company, right? So because of that, the cloud businesses came into the picture vastly. Okay. So that's why now if you are maintaining this, now what Oracle is telling, example, always latest version should use by the client. I don't maintain the old versions. So old client must upgrade the latest version. Earlier, what happened? They want upgrade. They used to put a lot of effort, and it was expensive again, time taking. But now this is simple work in number of hours. 3 4 hours can easily upgrade from old version to latest version. No need to worry about it. This is a major advantage in the cloud. So everybody across the world, all these database customers will be using the latest version. That will be easy for the product company because they can recruit the software engineers who knows the latest version. They don't need to worry about the old version because it's closed. Because it is closed. So upgradations will happen automatically in the cloud environment. Client cannot say that I will use old version. No, you are in cloud. You should always use the latest version. But client says that why I need to put expenditure. No, don't worry. You don't need to put a single dollar. We just might upgrade to the latest version just like that within 3 4 hours. Just your employees should be calm in 3 4 hours. We will take care of upgrade every quarter. Every quarter, if you give 3 4 hours time, immediately we'll upgrade. That's it. So that's the major advantage with the cloud environment. So that's why these companies are providing the tools and products. Okay. So now we'll see what are the different tools and products Oracle is providing. Now what I said, cloud companies are not just providing the rentals. Okay, it's indirectly rental only, right? They established data centers across the world, 40 countries, 40 plus countries. In that data centers, they got excellent network computers, or we can also call it as supercomputers or high-end configuration computers with cloud technology. Now, customers, what they can do instead of maintaining their own servers in their office, maintaining their own server team, just close that all and use our servers on rental basis. Use our servers on rental basis. You pay the rent and use our server. install all your softwares, any software. If you are using Oracle Cloud, it doesn't mean that you cannot use Microsoft products. Buy the Microsoft license product and use it in Oracle Cloud. Okay. So that's the flexibility customers are going to have here. So now not only the just providing the servers and rental basis, they have built excellent tools and products in the cloud. Now the customers can come to here and start subscribing the tools and products. That also very less price. Some of the tools and products are free of cost until unless you use it commercially. For example, there is a tool. By using that tool, you are going to build some product. You can easily build the product without making any payment. Finally, if your product success, then pay the amount and take the product and sell to your customers. If products get failed, don't worry. You don't need to pay, close it. That's a very high-end flexibility for the customers, right? That's why almost every company is planning to move all their software applications from on-premises to cloud environment. As I said, not only the server, or we call it as a infrastructure. IT infrastructure means indirectly server only, right? IT infrastructure means indirectly server only. It's not only servers. Every company providing some tools and products. What are the different tools Oracle is providing? Oracle providing Oracle database. Oracle database. Oracle integration tool. OSCS for integrating the applications. VBCS. Visual Builder. Visual Builder Cloud Services. Visual Builder Cloud Services. NetSuite ERP. It is product. It is product. So what is the difference between the tools and products? By using the tools, we will build our own products. Some products are already built. NetSuite is one of the software product or software application as already developed by Oracle that you can directly use. But when you are using, when customer is using this product, they feel that they need some changes, some enhancements, maybe some new development is required, nothing but an extensions. So definitely they go with this product customization here. So that's NetSuite ERP. Okay, that is what NetSuite ERP. Okay, that's the difference between the tool and product. Tool is, it's a software tool that by using that you can just build the products. Product means it's already built. You have to just customize according to your requirement. So NetSuite ERP is one of the software. Oracle Vision Applications ERP. Oracle EBS ERP. Oracle EBS ERP. Oracle Analytics Cloud. Vision Warehouse Analytics, FWA. Okay. OTBI dashboard and analysis tool. And analysis tool. SBase is one of the product. Like this, there are multiple tools and products available in the cloud. So cloud means not only just managing the information. You will see the tools and products in the software. You will see the tools and products in the cloud environment here. Yeah. So now customers, first what they have to do is, let me save it. So when customer want to use these tools, they must come to the cloud first. The customer should become member in the cloud first. After that, if they want to use their own softwares, okay, you can install and you start using. If you don't want to use your softwares and you are interested Oracle tools and products, then you can start subscription and start using the Oracle tools and products. So that's the cloud concept and different tools and products here and different product companies, right? In this, now we are talking about this product. It's got very good success from the customers and vast application, lot of opportunities, job opportunities we have. Now we are talking about Oracle Fusion Applications here. Before that, we discuss what is ERP. What is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP software. Enterprise means your client. Heritage Foods is one of the enterprise. So your client may be educational business, manufacturing business, automobile sector, or share market, or in construction company, or any product-based company, or retail industry. It can be any business. They are enterprises. They are running business in multiple branches, thousands of employees, thousands of customers, suppliers. This is all your company resource. This is all your company resource, means your client resource. This is enterprise, and this is resource. We have to utilize this resource in a proper plan. For that, you need a software. How you will deal 70,000 customers? If I ask you who is your top priority customers out of 70,000, do you have a proper report? Do you have a proper analysis? Do you have a proper reason why you are telling that these 500 people are top customers, are top revenue customers? What offers you are going to give it to them? How you are going to take care of them? Okay, there are 5,000 customers who has just came one time. Why don't you talk with them? What was the reason? What products they purchased from you? When did they purchase? What was the feedback? Then what is analysis? This is what actually you have to plan to improve your business. Right. So what this is all your employees is your asset, your customers, your suppliers, your items, your brand value, your network, your branches, your licenses and permissions. This is all your resource. It's all resource. We have to use it in a proper plan. That's what we call it as ERP. ERP is a software. When you start the business and all your employees comes to office, right, every day, they log into ERP software. They enter this day-to-day transactions. Whatever they are selling or whatever they are purchasing, whatever they are storing, whatever they are dispatching or assembling or manufacturing, whatever the work they do, they have to enter in the software in a proper format so that you can easily analyze your business, what is happening, what happened, and what will happen in going forward, what decisions you have to take. Otherwise, what happened? It's difficult to analyze your business. It's going to be a headache end of the day. Okay, so that's the reason people start using the ERP software. It is mandatory. So the reason you might have seen always the job market will be there for always ERP products. The reason why without ERP software, your client cannot run the business. If your client is going to close the ERP software, means indirectly they are going to close the company. Indirectly, they are going to close the company. That's as simple as. Okay, because without ERP software, what the business they do? They can't do it. It's mandate. It's the heart of the business, right? So, what are different ERP applications we have? What are different ERP applications we have in the market? Who are the competitors? Different ERP applications available in the market. One of the best ERP application so far in the industry. SAP, Oracle applications, call it as RTL or EBS, business suite also. Then PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Siebel, Workday, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle Fusion application. These are the ERP applications are available in the market. So in the cloud, there might be number of tools and products. Out of that, we are talking about this ERP product, ERP software. In the market, these are available. SAP is there since 1997. Oracle also is there since 1997. I think PeopleSoft also that it was there. Workday came into the market in 2011. Salesforce 2011. Dynamics 2005. Vision applications 2015. This. Out of this, PeopleSoft and JD Edwards are not there. All these three companies are merged with Oracle. These three products are merged with Oracle. No more PeopleSoft, Edwards, JD Edwards, and Siebel. If any customer says that I want to use PeopleSoft, obviously they have to come to Oracle company because Oracle is the owner for that product. Now, Oracle suggests if you want to buy PeopleSoft ERP software, you buy it, no problem. But no future upgrades, no futures. No features will be provided going forward, latest versions. You have to use as it is. Instead of that, you go for the latest ERP Fusion application. That's what they are projecting to the customers. That's what they are projecting to the customers. So no need to worry about this yet. So now, what are the major ERPs? SAP and Oracle applications, both are major ERPs since 1997. It's almost more than 25 years. Last 25 years, they are in the market, ERP market across the world. Thousands of customers are using these products. Still, they are using. These two products are on-premise. On-premise. Nothing but no cloud. We don't have cloud option for these two ERPs. Cloud option is not there. Then what is the meaning of on-premise? If any customer want to use this softwares, okay, you pay the amount, the company, and they'll give you licensed software. Take it, install in your server, recruit the DBS, recruit administrators, networks, and cyber security engineers, and install the softwares. Then software engineers will be there for customizations and extensions and migrations, conversions. And after that, your employees will start using. That's the software development life cycle for on-premises. Later, in 2011 onwards, as I said, cloud concept came into the picture. Got Workday ERP, Salesforce ERP, Dynamics ERP, Microsoft, and now in 2015, latest Oracle Fusion application. Yeah. These are the competitors. Major competitor for Fusion applications is SAP. SAP is the major competitor right now for Fusion applications. Yes. You may get some doubt. Oracle is already having one ERP software since 1997. Very good ERP, comparing obviously competitor for SAP. And they got 3 more ERP products. Total 4 ERP softwares. Total 4 ERP softwares they got. When one company has got 4 ERP softwares, then why again they developed one more ERP software? What is the reason behind that? Already 4 ERP softwares you have. Then why you developed one more ERP software? What is the reason? in 2015. These old ERP softwares, these are established in 1997. It means in 94, 95 they designed. That was the architecture. It won't support for the current trend. What is current trend? Client is looking for the cloud ERP. They are looking for digitalization. They want access this product from multiple devices, desktop, tab piece, and mobile. It's mobility. They wanted to access because their employees, you might have seen nowadays, you go for any restaurant, employees are using smartphones or tab piece to take your orders. Even you go for some servicing center, you give your car for servicing, they take all your car details through tab piece. It means they want to access the software from smartphone. Some people are using the desktop in the same company. There is a administration section. They use desktops. So your application should be compatible for this here. And also, it must have integration with social sites. I want to have an easy integration with the social sites. Whatever the information our employees are entering, that I wanted to publish on the social platforms in a easiest way. In easiest way. Okay. These are major features the customers are expecting. When any salesperson goes to company, goes to client, saying that we have developed one ERP software. Why don't you use this ERP software to maintain your business day-to-day transactions, and you can easily analyze your business? Then customer is asking first question: do you have all these features? Is your ERP is having all these features? 100%, not in some places. 100% you should have all this here. No, I have no answer. Oracle does not have answer because these products are not cloud based. These products are not 100% digitalized. These products are not 100% mobility access. These products are not that much easy integration with social sites. Then obviously, if you want to be in the market, you should build a new product because there's client expectations. You should build a new product. That's why Oracle came in 2015. They built Oracle Fusion applications. Initially, it's got failure. 2015, it's got failure. 2019, they got excellent feedback from the customers, especially in India, from ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank implemented this ERP software cloud. They started using. So Workday also is a cloud ERP. Salesforce also is a cloud ERP. Microsoft Dynamics is a cloud ERP. Oracle Fusion Applications is a cloud ERP. But these three companies are not that much competitors. Small companies compared to Oracle and SAP. SAP also has got cloud. SAP Cloud is there. They have not changed the name. They just built the same product in the cloud. But Oracle has changed the name from old ERP, Oracle applications, to Oracle Fusion applications. And also, this is complete. It's a new architecture which will support for all the features what you have current and future generations. That's why Oracle says Fusion ERP product is next generation ERP. You can configure anything on top of this because it has got excellent architecture within this. Excellent architecture within this. So that's about the Fusion applications history. Is clear, everybody? Any doubts here so far, please?
Chandra, I have a question.
Yeah.
How hard is it to migrate from on-prem to cloud?
Migration, you are talking?
Yes.
Definitely, in the initial implementation, it will be lengthy process. Depends on your products you are using. Okay, you can easily move from on-premise to cloud applications if you have less, integrations and other things. But once you move into the cloud, then it will be easy managing.
Okay. So is it also viable for small companies like 100 employees or 50 employees use cloud instead of on-prem on cost wise?
Yeah, it's viable always. 100% it is flexible.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, then. So, what are the different modules we have in Fusion applications here? Now, Fusion applications modules. Generally, ERP means human capital management, supply chain management, finance, CRM, PPM, ORC, then costing, manufacturing, planning, education. Like this, we will find different domains. Different domains we will find like this. The ERP applications will have different different modules like this, different domains also we call it. First four are common for any company. Later depends on your business, you are going to have other modules. Because financials, supply chain, human capital is common for any software, any client, right? CM is to maintain the employees. Say I have 1,000 employees. How I will manage these employees? When employee join in the company, I have to tell to the employee, this is what your position, this is what your grade, this is what your job, this is what department you are working, who is the manager, which location you are working, and what is your onboarding documents you submitted, what are the checklists you have completed when you join in the company. These all things we have to maintain. Then their salaries, then their leaves, like this we have to maintain. That's a HR. Supply chain means procurement and sales, financials and CRM, like this we have. Different, but major is this three: HCM, supply chain, and finance. A few people will go for remaining modules. Major is this three. Major this three will. Okay. So here it's up to the client what they want to use. They feel that SAP Finance is number one. And Oracle Fusion is number one in human capital management. We use both the softwares. SAP software they will use for finance data entry. Oracle Fusion they will use for HR employees data entry. Yeah. So they can use multiple. It doesn't mean that if you start using ERP software, you must use all the products. Doesn't depends on the requirement you are. Now you got idea. What is Fusion applications? It is one of the ERP software, cloud-based ERP software developed by Oracle company. Okay. What are the domains we have here? HCM, supply chain, finance, CRM, PPM, like this. Okay, what is HCM? Human capital management. This is what we are going to learn. In human capital management, what exactly you are going to have? This is mainly to maintain the employees' data. If you want to manage the employee data, you have to learn global HR module. If you want to manage your employee salaries, you have to learn payroll module. If you want to maintain your employees' leaves information, you have to go for options management module. Then employee talent management. Talent management. This is to maintain the employee talent. If I have 10,000 employees, I want to maintain what are all the goals I'm setting to my employees, how many people has reached, how many people has completed successfully in less time, I want to manage all this and then give the promotions or any spot bonus, and I want to give the allowances and all here. So those all things comes under the talent management module here. Okay. Then OTL module, time and labor. Then we are going to have compensation module. Then benefits module. Then benefits module. Then ORC module, recruitment cloud, Oracle recruitment. These are 8 modules we have, functional modules. So now what we are going to learn, Oracle Fusion Applications ERP software. In that also, HCM we are going to learn. In HCM also, how many modules we have? 8 modules are there. So these 4 modules are mandatory. Most of the requirements we will find here. These 4 modules, we will find most of the requirements. We find most of the requirement in these 4 modules. Very few companies will ask for these 4 modules. In fact, it's difficult to learn all the modules. Generally, 3 modules we can learn, not 4 modules. Okay, but we can try the 4th module. So from RTL Technologies, we are going to provide the training for all these 4 modules. We are going to provide training all these 4 modules. Those are live sessions. And these 4 modules already defined. These are advanced. We can also call it as advanced HCM. You may be required anytime. Maybe after some time you required. You may be required anytime this year. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to go for Udemy. So we are going to provide you this courses on free of cost. Oracle Fusion HCM ORC training, for example. So generally, people, if they want to buy, they have to pay 2,000 rupees and they have to enroll. But the people who has joined in our RTL, learned our course here, whatever the 4 modules. So generally, we are trying with 4 modules only, but this is advanced. So you are going to save 8,000 rupees going forward. You won't get any other institution here. This 4 modules you are going to get free of cost. And also the 4 modules FAQs. These 4 modules FAQs you are going to get it. Global HR module, FAQ course. That will be cost of 800. That's the free of cost you are going to get it from RTL here. Is all our Udemy online course. If it is other students, they have to buy. So this will be an advantage for you through RTL if you are going to join. So any institution, if you take, they'll give the training for 4 modules. In fact, we are also providing the 4 modules training. This is our live classes, day to day live sessions here. All these 4 modules we are going to provide. So additionally, these courses you are going to get from RTL Udemy, that will be free of cost. Okay. And then you can find all these courses lifelong support. So anytime you can use. Once we will give you the free enrollment through our website. So you can see that courses here, which is with a 4.4 rating. And you will see all your FAQs. Global HR FAQ, options management FAQs, supply chain management FAQs. Is all you can find here. Okay. So that's what the course we are going to offer here now. It will be 2 months. This course duration will be 2 months. Detailed syllabus we'll discuss tomorrow. There's 4 modules detailed what we are going to talk. We'll discuss tomorrow. First, we'll explain global HR module and give you the global HR FAQ. Role module second, give the payroll FAQ. Options management module, that FAQs. Talent management module, that FAQs. Finally, this one we will give you after completion of the course. So that will be a backup. Backup in the sense, if you are still capable, you can learn. Otherwise, generally these 4 modules sufficient. These are advanced. Every HCM consultant should learn across the world. Whoever is working or learning, they must learn this more modules, advanced modules sometime. Maybe this year or next year or after 5 years, someday you have to learn. That's no doubt. But you are getting benefit now. Here it is. Yeah. Okay. So today we have gone through complete theoretical part. We have not even opened any applications here. Complete theoretical part we have learned. Tomorrow we will go for complete practical. We'll take assignment and we'll see how to. Yeah. Yeah. What is cloud? We have discussed. What are different cloud companies here? Okay. And what are the tools and products from our cloud here? And then what are the different options we have here from ERP application? What are who are the competitors? And what are different modules in ERP? And HCM, what are the modules here? And what we are going to learn live and what we are going to get through Udemy online. This, of course, it is required because once you learn the course here, you must, you must go for FAQs, resume preparation, assignment. This all will be a part. That's a detailed discussion. Tomorrow class will discuss. Okay. Tomorrow we'll go ahead with the detailed discussion of this all applications and we'll start working on that. Yeah. Fine, guys. Yes.
Chandra, can you tell me what is global HR once more?
Global HR.
Yes.
Global HR is basically maintain your organization structure.
Okay.
Yeah, organization structure means how many branches, how many departments, how many locations, what are the different positions, grades, and how many employees, who are the managers for them, their assignments, this all.
Okay. So basically everything like from top to bottom, everything comes under global HR for an employee, right? Of an employee, sorry.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sorry, of an employee or of a organization?
Organization and employee, both.
Both. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Fine, guys. Let's connect tomorrow. Yeah. So this video you will see in YouTube channel. I'll upload in YouTube channel. I request everyone subscribe to our YouTube channel. to get latest cloud. So RTL Online Trainings, you can do that. So I'll upload in just 10-15 minutes. Directly you can access. Okay. Thank you. Let's see you tomorrow.
Thank you.